So, what's up guys? Welcome back. We're going to unbox a little thing today. It's a smart speaker from Google, the second generation. So it's the Google Nest Mini. Okay, let's see what we have in the box. Oh shit. It's the UK variant, so I need a power adapter for it because I use the European plug, so got this little piece of shit. I don't know how good this is going to be, but anyway, I'm going to buy one of these things. They are cheap, so doesn't matter. Now, let's see what's inside the box, because this is more important than an idiotic power adapter. So, let's see. YouTube Music, Spotify, Google Calendar, Google Duo, Philips Hue, blah 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 blah. For the moment, I guess I'm going to just control my Xbox with it and nothing more. Just for the moment. I need to make my home smart. God damn, it has a lot of fucking idiotic plastic wrap around it. Yeah, now the main stuff. Let's see. What do we have in here? Oh, this is the speaker. Let's see. So, something for hanging to the wall. And an ugly fucking power jack. A barrel style. And the button for muting the mic. Anyway, let's see. What we have anything else? A plug. Yeah. UK style. That's why I needed that power adapter. So, do we have anything more here? Google, let's get started. A quick start guide. Yes. Blah 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 blah. I read that one. Let's see here. Blah 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 blah. And oh, it has a couple of pages. Connect the power adapter, blah blah blah. Just we hate Google. That's it.